Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in the lovely Protaras, sunny Protaras, and we are going to the Vrissiana Beach Hotel down the slope, and it looks like a ship. Can't really tell from here, but can you see generally that's the back of the ship, like a cruise ship, and it goes straight another. Sorry? The stern. Stern. Oh, it's very nautical. Anyway, so there's the side of the ship, and then the front sort of slopes down like that, and that's one of the first hotels built here in Protaras. So traditional glass fronted balconies, and looks like they've all got sea views except the stern. And the stern you get a good view of Protaras.
I think
Stern. Ah, oh, that's well spotted. You're right. If you're on the stern, it's like a massive suite, and you get the view for Protaras that way, and then you get a sea view on the side in the massive balcony. Well spotted. There we are. Right, let's go down and have a look around. There is a slope going up to the hotel, which is nice. Right, let's go up the slope. We came to a wedding here, didn't we? Oh, Diane and Darren, I remember, that was amazing. Right, up the slope, and we work our way towards the beach, I suppose, because it is a beach hotel. There's a horse with the lampshade. I'm not sure why the horse has got a lampshade on its head, but it is nice. Not really sure about that. Do you know why? Do you like the horse with a lampshade on his head? Yeah, I'm not sure why it's got a lampshade on its head. I do like the chandeliers and the reception. It's lovely and cool, very posh, conveniently located, comfortable seats, and look at those chandeliers. Now they would look nice in my front room. Don't fancy cleaning them, but they would look lovely. Right, let's go up to the veranda. Oh yes, this is where the wedding was, you're quite right. Step up 3 steps, more conveniently located posh chairs and settees. There's a little stage there for entertainment. This is called Sea View Veranda. There we are. So there's the Hicklety Picklety pool, but we're going down there in a bit, guys. We're just going to familiarise ourselves with what's going on. It looks like the pool bar is on the right hand side. Lots of shade. Right, let's go back into the posh reception, shall we? Oh, I forgot about the bar. There we are. Look at that amazing bar. Look at that granite. I think it lights up as well. Tonight there's live music. During the day you can do yoga, water polo, mini disco, dance. Loads going on, isn't there?
Well, that's a good price. €80 for an hour.
That's at the spa. Fitness and Wellness Centre. Oh, stop shouting, it's a spa. There it is, guys. Where's the gym, do you think? Oh, in here. Oh. Hello, how are you? Just looking round. Just looking round. Where's the gym?
Oh, it's just to your left.
Oh, to the left, thank you. Oh, there it is, thank you. Wow, look at this gym. It's enormous, isn't it? We've got steps, we've got loads and loads of instruments, and it's lovely and cool. Oh, I do like that. I'm not sure about the instruments, but they are the latest thing, aren't they? Look, latest running machine, and they've got free weights as well, starting off at 20 kilos. Yeah. 10 kilos. Anyway, let's go down to the pool. Okay, this is for non-residents as well, isn't it? Yes. So if you want to come for a spa, you can. Yeah. Very good prices, by the way. Very
yes, we try to make a selection of different price points for everyone's budget.
Yeah. You don't mind me having a look around the spa, do you? You know, the massagey thing.
Yes, of
there we are. Let's go and have a look, shall we?
Yes.
Oh, I love your curtains, by the way. Lovely.
It's just been freshly mopped.
Is it? Oh, yes. Oh, we must apologise to the lady. Oh, wow. Isn't this lovely?
This is our massage room. So we do all our massages, aromatherapy, deep tissue, Swedish, inhale, body scrubs and treatments.
Everything.
Yes.
I must interrupt you. Don't it smell delish?
Oh,
Isn't
yes,
it lovely?
It does smell delicious.
Where's that coming from?
It's coming from the aroma from the essential oils.
Oh.
This morning we had some bookings and I had an aromatherapy session.
Right.
So the oils are still present and smelling.
Let's have a look if the towels are fluffy. Oh, they are, aren't they? They're super fluffy, aren't they?
Just collected them this morning from housekeeping.
Oh, excellent.
And we also do some hot stone.
Hot stones,
This is
there
actually
you are.
Brand new machine, so this hasn't actually been used yet because it's too hot. I think people prefer to have something else, like a bit of Swedish
if it's really hot out there, they think, oh, stone massage, don't really too hot.
It's more popular in the winter time.
Yeah, good idea. And we saw you last year, didn't we?
Yes, I was working at Blue Ivy for a company called AGO Spas, and this year
you're on your own.
I've got my own spa at Vrissiana.
Oh, it's really nice to see you.
Yeah, it's nice to see you again.
Oh, something smells delish again, piney. That's a lovely sauna, isn't it? It's enormous.
Yes,
I do like that.
It's quite a nice size sauna, and it's available for guests with a certain package, but available to all guests who have a massage or treatment at the spa.
Oh, so if you have a massage or treatment, you can go in the sauna as well.
Yes.
That is good value for money, isn't it?
Exactly, you get to use that, and also the steam bath.
No, is there a steam bath as well?
Yes.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It gets all steamy.
Steamy, lovely.
This all gets steamed up, and you walk in and there's a big cloud in front of you.
That sounds excellent.
And just over here, we've got
what you got over here? A what?
Facial room.
Facial room?
Everybody wants to get a facial. It's
oh, wow.
And this is some of the equipment that we use.
Special equipment you got there for like looking properly and all that.
Exactly, and analysing the skin.
Wow. You've got all the latest stuff in here, haven't you? and all the latest bits and pieces here.
Oh, yes.
All the creams and what have you.
Yes, for all skin types.
Yeah, I love it. Look at these. Look at all this, guys. Amazing. So there we are. That's the spot. And by the way, they do special offers every day, so look out for that. These are really clever. What are clever? Yeah, they're stone things, aren't they?
They look good on your wall.
They're interesting. Anyway, let's go over here. These are really clever. You pull them out and you get your information. Oh, try the right side. There we are. Oh, right, okay. Forgot my glasses and my phone, as per usual. There, see? Depends who you're with. You pull out and get your information. Something smells delish. Quick, come on. It's lunchtime. Oh, come in here. Hello, just looking round, thank you. Oh, look at this. Come and have a look at this salad bar. Wow. Now this is very, very important at lunchtime because the salad's important at lunch, isn't it?
I like the way they've got the salad right next to the cake. It's my kind of buffet.
Salad next to the cake. Yes, definitely unusual. There we are. Look at this. You can make your own salad. I'll mix and match. Oh, I do like the ham one. Oh, tuna fish as well. Lots of dips, including terra massalata. Lovely little rolls. Ah, we know when we see quality, when we see Lurpak. Right, let's have a look at the hot dishes. We have got lovely Greek pita bread, lovely traditional pizza with doner kebab. Mmm, smells delicious. Healthy. Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, that's macaroni with.
That's village pasta.
With halloumi on top.
That's right. It's village pasta. Oh, lasagna. Delish. That smells delicious.
Chips.
Lovely chips. And oh, fish. Very nice. You've got everything, haven't you? Meatballs. Traditional Cypriot meatballs. Oh, that looks nice. What is it? Steak?
Roast lamb.
Roast lamb. And what's that, do you think?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh, like a curry
Coriander
tart.
and lemon. No, coriander and lemon.
Oh, I haven't got a clue. Coriander and lemon. Smells delish.
There's
And a
some
bit of rice. Now we have got fruit, and of course it's melon season.
Ooh, these are, if you see these mini
What?
plums and pears and everything, they're amazingly delicious.
Oh, are they? They're from Cyprus, aren't they?
Yes.
Local fruit, tea and coffee. So lovely and cool in the restaurant. Oh, those glass doors. There's the restaurant terrace, guys, if you fancy eating outside, which is very, very nice, isn't it? We'll step down the steps, have a look round the hicklety-picklety pebble and see what else is going on here. So we've got posh sunbeds, fluffy towels. Are they fluffy? Yeah. And squodgy sunbeds. Are they squodgy? Super squodgy. And they're posh because they're wooden ones. They're lovely. Loads more shade round here, guys. There's the pool bar. Hicklety-picklety pool with a jacuzzi on the far corner. Let's go around here. Oh, there's a lawn as well. Actually, I'm going to take you around here towards the lawn because we've got more convenient located squatchy sunbeds and umbrellas, and it's a proper lawn. There it is, proper lawn, guys. Onto the decking area, more conveniently located chairs. You can have a slow beer straight from the bar. There's our famous coastal path, and we've got a slope that'll take you down straight onto the beach. Very nice. Oh wow, look at this, hammocks. That's a great idea. Palm trees and hammocks on the bottom. What a marvellous idea. I like a hammock now and again. So we have got 4-poster double sunbeds as well with lots of shade. Continuing around the hicklety-picklety pool, there's a grass verge as well right next to the coastal path with loads more sunbeds with cushy cushions. Oh, I've lost my words. I am a silly Billy. Right, let's continue round. Oh, you can see the boat shape now. There it is, you see. Looks like a boat, doesn't it? Oh, what's that area? Oh, a little kiss pool in the far corner with cascading waters. Right, let's go up the slope. More showers. And back towards the restaurant. I can't resist going up that slope towards the restaurant, although I've been there. There's the foot spa and the showers, and we're going to go back towards the coastal path. Oh, that's nice for a massage. Just put your neck behind that and have a little massage. Right, let's go to the actual coastal path, and then we can have a look at the beach, can't we? And we can finish the video there. Down the slope. Look out for videos of the coastal path, and then you can see the lawn on the left hand side. There we are. And there's the lovely beach right in front of us. How about that for location? Lovely sandy beach, a soft sandy slope straight into the water.
I think the boat might be a cut and shunt because it looks like the back from this side as well.
It does look like the back.
I think they've welded two together.
What, and they haven't put a front?
Yeah.
A bow?
Somewhere down the coast there's two fronts.
So, yeah, we've got a problem here, guys. Never mind. There we are. What a fabulous hotel, what a lovely spa. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.